Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're like many iPhone users who recently updated to iOS 18 and suddenly encountered the frustrating green screen issue on iPhone 13, 14, 15 or even the new iPhone 16, don't worry. In today's video, I'll be showing you exactly how to fix that annoying issue step by step. So what should you do if this happens? Let's dive into a few simple fixes you can try right now. First up, check your iPhone storage space. If your iPhone storage space is running low, it can lead to all kind of performance issues, including screen glitches. So go to your setting and make sure that you have a storage in your iPhone. You can click on general and then click on iPhone storage. So if your iPhone storage is full, make sure that you free this up. For that, you can also delete or offload the apps that you don't need and see if the issue fixes. So once you've done this and the issue is still there, then the next thing you should try is a forced restart. This is a quick way to refresh your device system and might just resolve the green screen issue. Just press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, then hold the power button until you see Apple logo appear on the screen. Once you've done this, and if the neither of these methods work for you, don't worry, there is a faster and more reliable solution. Let's move to my desktop as this simple method works with the Windows PC or Mac OS. Here is where Tenorshare Reboot comes in. It's a easy to use tool that can fix green screen issue after iOS 18 update quickly and safely. Check out the link in description below to download Reboot and follow along as I show you how it works. It's super simple, but I do recommend you back up your data before starting. And for backupping up, Tenorshare Reboot is the perfect tool. It helps you quickly back up your data safely and easily. Before I show you the fix process, a quick heads up. Tenorshare is currently running an exciting event. You can enter to win a brand new iPhone 16 on their website. Plus, if you want to purchase Reboot, you can get it now at the special price as low as $19.95. All the details are linked in the description below. Make sure you click on it. So once you have downloaded and installed that tool, now let me show you the fix process. As I have already downloaded and installed the tool in my device, as you can see here, now let me open the tool and let me show you step by step the fix process. Once you are on the tool, as you can see, here is the interface of the tool. So we have to simply click on this to fix the green screen issue. We have to click on this iOS upgrade and downgrade button. Simply click on it, and as you can see, upgrade keep data. So you won't lose any of data, but make sure that you make backup of your iPhone. Simply connect your iPhone with the USB cable and follow on the screen. Enter the passcode if it's asked, and then simply click on upgrade. As you can see, the firmware is downloaded as I have already downloaded. So if your firmware isn't downloaded, you can select the firmware from here. If you want to install the official or beta, simply select the firmware and then click on initiate upgrading. Once you click on it, it will take just few minutes to upgrade your iPhone. So make sure your iPhone is connected all the time. Once the process is done, then you can disconnect your iPhone. So just wait. Now as you can see guys, upgraded successfully. Now you know that how you can exactly fix a green screen issue after updating to iOS 18. Make sure that you check the reboot dollar out and enter in the iPhone 16 giveaway. Thanks for watching, and as always make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon for more techs and tips. Thanks for watching guys.